In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Slack with Make.com. Automation can greatly enhance your workflow, saving you time and effort by letting the software handle routine tasks. So let's dive into the process of setting it all up. To start, you'll want to head over to Make.com and create a new scenario. If you're new to Make.com, think of a scenario as a workflow where you can detail the steps required to automate a task. Once you've created your scenario, the next step is to add a Slack module. You'll have options for setting up a trigger. Triggers are crucial because they define what event will start your automation. In this case, you might choose something like watch new events or perhaps watch messages in a private channel. It really depends on what you want to automate. Once your trigger is in place, the next move is connecting Make.com with your Slack workspace. This part involves creating a new connection. Make sure to authenticate your Slack account, which might involve signing in and giving Make.com the necessary permissions to access your Slack data. Don't worry, this process is secure, and you're in control of the permissions you grant. After you've linked up your Slack account, the next decision is selecting the specific channel you want to monitor. This could be any channel you use regularly where you want these automated actions to be triggered. With the connection made and the channel selected, it's time to think about the actions that will follow your trigger. This is where the real power of automation becomes apparent. Consider adding subsequent modules in Make.com to perform various actions based on the trigger. For example, you could set up an action that sends a message to another channel, keeping everyone updated on ongoing tasks. Alternatively, you might want to integrate with a project management tool, adding tasks automatically when specific messages are detected, or you could even create entries in a database, ensuring crucial information is captured and accessible for later use. Remember, the actions you decide to automate should align with your goals and existing workflows. Start with something simple and then expand as you become more comfortable with how Make.com and Slack work together. The beauty of this setup is its flexibility, allowing you to tailor it exactly to your needs, and there you have it. By setting up your scenario, connecting to Slack, and defining your trigger and subsequent actions, you can effectively automate and streamline your Slack communications with Make.com. Experiment with different triggers and actions to see what combinations best serve your needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to check out more resources on Make.com for even more automation opportunities.